students. How are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do the voices with modals as helping verbs. Means when you are given modals as helping verbs, then what we do to change active from passive. See the example beta. I can do this. Rules are same. You will be given subject plus helping verb, means modals will be given there, plus V1 plus object. You have to change subject, object in subject, helping verb remain same. Means whatever you are given can, then use can there, could then could, whatever is given, plus B will be used. Then V3 after that by and object, that was the subject. See the example. I can do this. This is the object, that will be subject now. That this can be done by me. Means you have to use that helping verb, that auxiliary, that is given to you. For example, we are given can, we are using can here. With can we will use be there. Then V3 will be used, after that by and object, which was the subject. See the next example. You should not read this news. So this news is the object, it will be subject now. This news should not be read by you. You will use should. You are given should, you will use should, but be will be used with that. Clear? Now some voices when you are given WH words to form a question. See the example. What do you want? So we just have to use that same word. The interrogative word you are given what will be used? Do or does are changed in ism or as we were doing in present. So what is then V3? Wanted by you. Who always changes in by whom. So other remains same. So who teaches you English? Who will be changed in by whom? By whom. So who changes in by whom? Who teaches you English? The voice will be passive voice is by whom are you taught English. Here we are given two objects, you and English. You can use anyone. If you are using you, then use by whom are you taught English. If you are using English, then write by whom is English taught to you. And whom is changed in who. See the example. Whom do you want? Who will be changed in who? Sorry, whom will be changed in who? And do and does are converted in ism. So it will be who is V3 wanted by you. Clear? Active and passive voices with imperative sentences. Means when you are given imperative sentences and you have to change active from passive. So we can use ordered, requested, advised, as per requirement. See the example. We are given open the door. These sentences starts with the verb. We are given open the door. You can use you are ordered. You just have to write these three words, then use to, and then write the same sentence. See, you are ordered to open the door. The second way is to do this. The door should be opened. You can write like this also. Let the door be opened. These are the three ways to do to change imperative active voices to passive voices. So that is preferable. Use this one only. Next, when you are given not. See, do not make a noise. So we can write it is an advice. So write you are advised not to make a noise. You can do the second method also. You can write forbid. You are forbidden. Forbidden means to stop to do the work. So you are forbidden. Forbidden for what? To make a noise. You can do this also. You can do anyone. And the second way is the noise should not be made like that. So when you are given please, We have done ordered, requested, now advised. When you are given requested, please or kindly, then remove please or kindly, use requested there. Please help me. So you are requested to help me. Remove please and use you are requested in place of please, and use to after that you write the same sentence. It can be, now when you are given the sentences starting with let. See the example one. Let her do her work. So what is object? Her work. Change object and subject. Let her work be done by you. When you are given let, then we use be in place of by. I hope you have understood the voices. Today we have completed the topic, and in the next video we will discuss the another topic of grammar. Till then, stay home, stay safe and do practice. Thank